Hello, in this video we're going to go over how to locate inmate records, jail records, prison records in the state of Tennessee. So to get started, visit TennesseePublicRecords.org. I'll have a link in the description. You can click on that, or you can just type that into your browser. Now, on the front page, you will find public record databases, and so some of these could be helpful to you depending on what type of research you're doing. But what we also did was create specific, more detailed pages for more sought after records. So anything from background checks to court records. If you hover over other records here, you'll find a link here for inmate search. So let's click on that. And a more detailed page here would include statewide information. So this would be a prison search using the Department of Corrections. And then if you scroll down, we covered the most populous counties, and this would be these would be resources that you could use to search local jail records. So the difference between the two would be people in prison are serving a sentence of typically over 12 months. Somebody in jail could have been booked and released the same day, or maybe they're spent the night and got released, but it's typically under 12 months. And one is going to be managed by the Department of Corrections, and then like a jail would be managed by, say, like a local sheriff's department. So you got a couple of different databases to consider here when looking for inmates or looking for arrest information, prison records, jail records, things like that. Another thing to consider is anytime somebody gets arrested, they will eventually have to see a judge, and so that will create a court document. So if you wanted to do more research about a particular case, about a particular arrest, about a particular inmate, you can also utilize things like court records. And there's also a page here for court records that you can use. The background check page has links that you could look at the county level. So if you're looking at a particular county level court, you can utilize these local links to discover more information pertaining to a particular incident. Another thing to consider is a private database. Now what this one does is it utilizes not only information at the county level or the state level in Tennessee, but it also goes outside the state. So why would that be important? Well, somebody might have a criminal record in, say, Florida, or maybe in North Carolina, and now they're living in Tennessee. If you're just looking at records at the county level or at the state level in Tennessee, you're not necessarily going to see what happened in those previous states. And so people do move around, so it's something to consider. If you want to cover more bases, make sure you're looking at more information. That's also an option for you here on TennesseePublicRecords.org. So come on down and get started on your Tennessee inmate search. Thank you.